This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Sarah Romsberg. This 5-bedroom, 3 full bathroom home is full of beautiful upgrades and is ready for new owners. The main level has an open floor plan that includes a guest bedroom with an attached full bathroom. The beautiful kitchen features stainless steel appliances and a kitchen island. Upstairs there are 4 bedrooms, including the master bedroom suite with a large walk-in closet and spacious master bathroom. An upstairs bonus room also provides the extra space that any buyer will love. The flat backyard is perfect for entertaining with an extended stamped concrete patio and white vinyl privacy fence. Brand new roof installed in 2020. Conveniently located with quick access to Harrisburg, Charlotte, Concord Mills, I-485, and I-85. All of this in the perfect neighborhood that features sidewalk lined streets.